Istanbul is the largest, serving as the country's economic, cultural and historic hub. The city straddles the Bosporus Strait, lying in both Europe and Asia, and has a population of over 15 million residents, comprising 19% of the population of Turkey. Istanbul is the most populous European city, and the world's 15th largest city. The city was founded as Byzantium, Byzantine, in the 7th century BCE by Greek settlers from Megara. In 330 CE, the Roman Emperor Constantine the Great made it his imperial capital, renaming it first as New Rome, Nova Roma, and then as Constantinople, Constantinopolis, after himself. The city grew in size and influence, eventually becoming a beacon of the Silk Road and one of the most important cities in history. The city served as an imperial capital for almost 1,600 years, during the Roman/Byzantine, 330 to 1,204, Latin, 1204-1261, Late Byzantine, 1261 to 1453, and Ottoman, 1453 to 1922, empires. The city played a key role in the advancement of Christianity during Roman/Byzantine times, hosting four, including Chalcedon, Kadkoi, on the Asian side, of the first 7 ecumenical councils, all of which were in present-day Turkey, before its transformation to an Islamic stronghold following the fall of Constantinople in 1453 CE, especially after becoming the seat of the Ottoman Caliphate in 1517. In 1923, after the Turkish War of Independence, Ankara replaced the city as the capital of the newly formed Republic of Turkey. In 1930, the city's name was officially changed to Istanbul, the Turkish rendering of the appellation Greek speakers used since the 11th century to colloquially refer to the city. Over 13.4 million foreign visitors came to Istanbul in 2018, 8 years after it was named a European Capital of Culture, making it the world's 8th most visited city. Istanbul is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and hosts the headquarters of numerous Turkish companies, accounting for more than 30% of the country's economy. The first known name of the city is Byzantium, Greek, Beta Upsilon Zeta Nu Tau Iota Omicron Nu, Byzantine, the name given to it at its foundation by Megarian colonists around 657 BCE. Megarian colonists claimed a direct line back to the founders of the city, Byzas, the son of the god Poseidon and the nymph Teresa. Modern excavations have raised the possibility that the name Byzantium might reflect the sites of native Thracian settlements that preceded the fully fledged town. Constantinople comes from the Latin name Constantinus, after Constantine the Great, the Roman emperor who refunded the city in 324 CE. Constantinople remained the most common name for the city in the West until the 1930s, when Turkish authorities began to press for the use of Istanbul in foreign languages. Konstantini and Istanbul were the names used alternatively by the Ottomans during their rule.